Hi, good evening. Welcome to your final speaking test. Please introduce yourself.
Hello teacher, my name is Tony. I 30, I'm 13 years old. I live in Nam Dinh City in Vietnam. I study at Nam Giang Tower Secondary School.
Alright, thank you, Tony. So let's talk about the three topics. The first one is about books and magazines. What kinds of books or magazines do you enjoy reading?
Um, I like read I like read comedy book because it's very fun and make me laugh a lot. Mm,
Do you prefer reading printed books or online content? Why?
I prefer reading book because reading book is good and read online is not good for my eyes.
What are the advantages of reading?
Mm, um, when I reading, I feel very exciting and fun, and it make me more clever.
Okay. Can you talk about a book or a magazine you have read recently? Say what it's about and why did you like it?
Um, my favorite story is Chocolate Factory. Um, it talk about the child named Charlie. He he have a golden ticket to meet a chocolate factory. He go to there and meet some people in there, and he is finally pupil in their factory, and he um, and he have the factory with his family.
Okay, alright. Next topic about school. Which school trip did you enjoy and why?
My school trip I enjoy is go to the zoo. My school trip go to the zoo when I was sick. My school um, my school we I go to the zoo with my school and see a lot of animal. we we feed the animal and take photo with the eat.
Which do you prefer, visiting a museum or going cafe?
I prefer go visiting a museum because in museum has many historic about people in past.
Can you tell me a memorable school organized activity you participated in?
Mm,
Any event at school?
I in my school in my school have many event, but I remember um, state is a way start at the first day in January in first day in New Year. We 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 play some game together and make chung cake with our teacher and eat them.
Okay, alright. Let's move on. Tell me about your family members.
My family have 6 people. My grandparent, he is he is 79. When he was young, he is a worker, and my grandparent is and my parent is 11.
Your father?
No, my grandmother,
Grandmother, okay. 70,
76.
56.
When she was young, she is a teacher. My my father is my father is 42 years old. He is uh, officer. My mother is 40 years old. She is a, is a teacher, and I have a sister. She is 16 years old. She is student.
Which family member do you have the closest relationship with? Which family member do you have the closest relationship with? Your mom, your dad, your sister, your grandparents?
My dad. Because he is good. He always buy toy and buy something for me.
Do you think family relationships are more important than friendships? Why or why not?
I think my family is very good on my
So which is more important, family relationships or friendship?
both English.
Which is more important, your family or your friends?
My family.
So why?
Because I love my family very much.
So what does your family do for you?
My dad always give me money, and my mom always cook for me very some good food. My sister always